Tell us what's going on there.
The mount for the bracket that holds the snorkel onto the A-frame was ripped out, and I could hear something. Now I know what it is, and it's a bit of a problem. So now it's a much bigger problem because there's nowhere to really hold it in. There's no, unless I drill other holes, but I don't have. I've got to think about this. This is not an area that you can just do these things. That's completely out. Let's see if this works. This is stuff I bought for something else. What did I buy this for?
Snorkel.
For the snorkel as well, actually, here. Ironically, this isn't going to fit. It's too big, and I have to look for something smaller. I'll hold it down with it.
Strap.
But there's nowhere to strap it around, that's the problem. I can't go around here. So the only way to really do it properly is to actually take the whole snorkel off and do it again. But that's not good, that can't happen now. But we will have to make sure that we'll just keep a very, very close eye on it. Because if this bracket breaks, then bracket breaks, then we need to redo the bracket. But that's on now. I'm feeling a bit confident, but these roads are brutal. Dude, where's that
On my stoop.
Alright, so
Straight in.
this goes in there. And that goes there by your feet. So the hunt for the squeaks are on. I know it's a defender and everyone rips it off, but that's just unnecessary.
Give it a good shake. Give it a good shake.
Huh?
Give it a shake.
Oh, it's still there a bit. I'll have to find some foam stuff. So we've been doing the fixing on the vehicles and squeaks and whatever, and I actually just stopped. I said to Cam, now we're in an elephant corridor. You can see here by the devastation how the elephants have just come straight through. If you look at what they do, is they completely shear off the branches and the leaves and everything from the trees, and that just creates such devastation. People then see this and then also start their own farmland here. But here's the path over here, if you have a look. You can see the path that the elephants walk, which is not a very big path. But it's wide and it's big. And there's a lot of elephants. A lot of elephants.
Fight Wakanda! Wakanda!
Oh man, that's getting darker and darker. I hope it falls down and then passes. You guys seen any rain lately? I'm going to see a lot. And as much as I love rain, I don't want to see it for the next week. A lot of water. We have a lot to do. Can't do it in the rain. It's rocked up like 5 weeks ago. Surprised everybody. So now we're just trying to make it work. Elephants. Not like this. They don't need to come into the water holes unless they're just hanging out. It's not raining heavily. It's already a win.
Yes.
I'm going to put this. I might have to leave some here until I come back.
There's no problem if the Tesla is.
Yeah, I might have to leave some, but I'll see what I can fit now, and then I might just leave some before I'll pick it up before I leave.
Yeah.
Yeesh, that's a lot. Okay.
So are you staying in Soronga?
We're staying in at Boma 4 with Claus.
At Boma 4. That side around after Iris.
No, but it's that side. I think.
That side.
Yeah, the new one.
Yeah, no, I know the place.
Is it far?
It's not that much far.
I really didn't order that much. Famous last words.